Hello everyone. Many smartphone users ask a question so frequently why their phone would not turn on. To know about possible reasons and solutions, follow these steps. Number 1. Faulty charging cable. Try to charge your phone with some other charger or charge some other phone with your charger just to make sure there is no fault in charger or charging cable. Screen is faulty. Sometimes the phone is actually on but display is not okay. Long press power button to force shut off and then turn it back on. If you hear a boot sound or feel vibration, it means phone is fine but screen is having some problem. Dropped or got wet? If dropped, then possibly you have broken screen. Check it for sound or vibration by starting it. In case your phone was dropped in water, then need special care. First of all, remove SIM card, SD card and battery out of it. Then try to dry it using cloth, sleeve or tissue paper to dry it. If water damage is more extensive, you can use vacuum to suck water from it. The most useful option is to bury your phone in uncooked rice as soon as possible, as rice is a great liquid absorbent. Let it dry for 2 days. If it still does not power on, possibly battery is damaged. Battery problem. Maybe battery is leaking or swelling. If so, no other option, buy a new one. Number 5. Use computer to force it to turn on. To know how, follow these steps. Connect your phone to PC via USB. Charge it for 15 to 20 minutes. Take cable out of phone, please don't disconnect it from computer, and plug it back within 10 seconds. Charge it for further 30 minutes. Press and hold down power button for 5 seconds. If it doesn't restart, continue holding down power button for 30 more seconds. If not a serious software or hardware issue, phone will start quickly. If all tricks did not work, then no other option to contact phone technician. Some people complain that their phone doesn't pass logo screen. It is situation what we call boot loop. It means phone will start normally but will get stuck in a loop. Reason behind this: maybe you recently updated to a new version of Android. Other reason, maybe you flashed some custom ROM. To solve this problem, you have to enter recovery and wipe the cache, partition or do factory reset. You can perform factory resetting in recovery mode by following these steps. Turn your phone off. Hold volume down and power button till it starts. You will see word start. Now press volume down to highlight recovery mode. Now press power button to start recovery mode. You will see Android robot now. In recovery mode, press and hold power button, press volume up button once, then let it go of power button. Press volume down button until wipe data/factory reset is highlight. Then press power button to select it. Once it is done, press power button to select reboot system now. Then restore your phone data. If this video helped you, please do like this video, subscribe, ZF Technical Guru, and do not forget to click bell icon to get our upcoming latest tech.